Clarinets. So this is the video for doing lines number 1 and number 2 in your book, Essential Elements. So the first thing we have is we have our first note, G. No fingers. Now this doesn't mean your hand should fly away. It means you should still be hovering your hand super close. We're going to start every note with our tongue, keeping an angry cat face. So cover, click, and we're going to make the starting with our tongue. Can you hear that crispy T sound? Now, my reed is actually just a little low. It slid down a bit. Double check your reed. Make sure the tip is equal with the tip of the mouthpiece. And make sure you're touching the tip of the tongue to the tip of the reed. Now, this lasts for a whole measure. Now we are in 4/4. That means there's 4 beats in every measure. I'm going to turn on my metronome and I'm going to hold my note for 4 clicks. When I get to here, I'm going to rest or 4 clicks. When I get to here, I'm going to start again with my T. Hold it all the way through. Your goal is to hold it as steady and as carefully and as straight as possible. And when I get to the end, I'm going to stop. In music, the teacher's not the one that tells you when to start and when to stop. The music tells you when to play and what to play. You're going to keep your eyes on the page. So I'm going to turn on my metronome. I'm going to have my metronome at 76 today. I'm going to set my face, cover, click, and I'm going to breathe through my corners. 1, 2, set. And there we go. Now I know I said that you shouldn't let your hand come away, but I was going to be showing you how many beats there were. Now the next one has quarter notes. Now let's review our note names. 1, 2, ready, go. E, G, B, D, F, E, G, B, D, F. These are the lines of my treble clef. Well, these are on that second line. That means it's going to be letter G, which for us is no fingers, which is great. Now, each quarter note is one sound on one beat. This means when we clap it, we count numbers. So let's clap and count it first. 1, 2, clap and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, each box of music is a measure, okay? So we're going to start on measure 1. And I'm just going to sizzle so you can hear what my tongue is doing. 1, 2, ready, listen. Now I did one breath, but I touched my tongue 4 times. 1 breath, but 4 touches. My air never stops. I don't ever let the air exit my mouth. The bad way is this. Don't do this. Or even worse. Okay? You don't want to do that. You're going to get lightheaded and fall over. Okay? So to show you the right way again. Right? Now we're going to play. Cover, click. 1, 2, set. All right, guys, have fun.